All right, so today we're going to be using exponents in what we're doing. So we're going to talk about exponents first. So exponents are something that is used to show multiplication. I can't spell. Okay, exponents represent how many times a number is multiplied by itself. So the key word here is that it's being multiplied by itself. Okay, so we're multiplying the same number over and over. So the exponent is this little number here. Okay, so that little number there is what we call the exponent. I'm sure you guys have seen them before. You probably just haven't worked with them before. So when we talk about exponents and we write them in word form, we're going to write our base number. So this bottom number right here is our base. Okay, so this is our base right here, whatever this big number is, and then our small number is our exponent. Okay, so when we write this in word form, how we're going to write this is we're going to write our base to the power of our exponent. So for this one, it would look like this. It would look like 5 to the power of 3. Okay, that's what this one here would look like. It would say 5 to the power of 3. Okay, and that's how you would write it in word form. Okay. The next one is called expanded form. So how are we actually going to do this? So what this tells us is that we take our base and so our base is 5, and we're going to multiply it 3 times over. So we're going to do 5 times 5 times 5. We're going to multiply the same number. So the base is our same number that we're multiplying, and the exponent up here tells us how many times we're multiplying it. So it's telling us to take the number 5 and multiply it 3 times. So it looks like this. Okay, and our standard form is our answer. Okay, so for this one, we're going to do 5 times 5. So I'm going to look at just part of it. So 5 times 5 is 25. And then we're going to multiply this last times 5. So 25 times 5 is 125. So that means my standard form that I'm going to write in here is 125. Okay. Any number raised to the first power is itself. So if it says 10 to the power of 1, that means the number is just 10. And then, go back. And then any number raised to the power of 0 is always going to be equal to 1. So if I had 7 to the power of 0, the answer would always be 1. The ones you guys are going to see more, though, are these ones, okay, with squares and cubes. Okay, so that is your little refresher or reminder of exponents. Now you guys are going to go on to the prime factorization.